Mango trees are a wonderful addition to any backyard. They offer shade from the hot sun. Imagine relaxing under your mango tree. They produce delicious and healthy fruit. Mangoes are known as the king of fruits. Nothing beats a sweet, juicy mango on a hot day. Mangoes are versatile. You can enjoy them fresh, use them in smoothies, or make delicious desserts. Growing your mangoes is rewarding. You get to enjoy the fruits of your labor. With a little care and attention, your mango tree will thrive. It will bring you joy for years to come. Watering your mango tree properly is essential. Water is crucial, especially during certain periods. Newly planted trees need regular watering. Deep watering is better than frequent shallow watering. How often you water depends on your soil and climate. Sandy soil drains faster than clay soil. Hot, dry weather means you'll need to water more often. Feel the soil around the base of the tree. Is it dry a few inches down? If so, it's time to water. Don't let the soil completely dry out. Overwatering can harm the tree. Observe your tree for signs of stress. Wilting leaves can indicate either too much or too little water. Pruning helps your mango tree grow strong and healthy. Pruning is best done during specific times. The ideal time is after fruit harvest. This allows the tree to heal before new growth. Remove any dead, diseased, or damaged branches. Cut away branches that cross or rub against each other. This improves air circulation within the tree. Open up the center of the tree to allow sunlight to reach the inner branches. This promotes fruit production. When pruning, make clean cuts. Use sharp tools to avoid damaging the tree. Don't prune too much at once. Excessive pruning can stress the tree. Mango trees benefit from regular fertilization. Fertilizer provides essential nutrients. These nutrients help the tree grow and produce fruit. Use a balanced fertilizer. Apply fertilizer a few times a year. Fertilize in early spring. This is when new growth begins. Fertilize again after fruit harvest. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer package. Too much fertilizer can be harmful. Scatter the fertilizer evenly around the tree. Keep it away from the trunk. Water well after fertilizing to help the nutrients soak into the soil.